Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Big Mac Talks. In today's video, we will discuss how to fix gut health for weight loss. We are diving into the essential topic of gut health and its impact on the weight loss. A healthy gut is crucial not just for digestion but also for overall well-being and effective weight management. Now we will discover the practical tips and strategies to improve and reset your gut health, making your weight loss journey smoother and more suitable.